you have this really beautiful design, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. In fact, I think it might look even nicer with it being cut because the design's going to be more centered and focused. So for us, if we cut it, this is what it's going to look like. So this is the design. It's clear, crisp. Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing. So today we're checking out this 10-piece solar path light. It's got hollow pattern design, 3 working modes, fast charge, long battery life, and strong brightness. So, give you a little manual inside the box. Alright guys, this is the actual cover for the light. So everything here is plastic, so keep that in mind. And for these covers, they should just pop right. So guys, for putting this on, you pull the solar panel top part off. So you just slide that off, and then you're left with this little oval. So you pull that off, and then you slide this down in through here, and then it looks kind of like that. And then you go ahead and you place this back on, and you just twist to tighten. So it should just go on and twist like that. And now you have your light set up here. We'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like in the dark. It's very nice. They're very nice design. You know, everything's nice about them. It's just simple cutting. And you know, for me, because I have the tools, it's only going to take me maybe 15 minutes to cut each one, if that, maybe less. So it's no big deal. And you know, it's very simple. Anyone really could cut them. You could even use a sharp knife, to cut them. A saw will cut them. Electric saw, hand saw, not that hard. But they are nice, guys. So if you like this design, and if you like them up high, so you can get an idea, you know. So that's about how it would look, or lowered like that. Now, if it's higher, it's going to spread further. So your design's going to go further. If it's lower, your design's not going to go as far.